Do you know that you can use Canva.com in your email marketing to promote your stuff, either for affiliate marketing, digital products as you want, and get more traffic and get more sales? So now let me show you that step by step. And first of all, just head over to Canva.com. For sure, you've got to first create your own free P or free digital product. It could be a checklist or planners, journal as you want. For sure, regarding your niche and your topics. For example, if you just pick this one checklist as an example, you can find huge amounts of these templates. Canva provides you with different themes, colors, and different topics, niches as you want. For fitness coaching, nutrition, weight loss, cleaning a checklist, traveling, for jobs, and so on. So, of course, if you just need a checklist as a free P to provide to your audience to get more traffic, for example, and for sure, just to go in this way to actually use this free P to capture emails of your audience. So I can provide this checklist, for example, completely for free. Then I just captured the emails of our visitors. Okay, so you can use a checklist or something like planners here. You can provide for free as a free P or gift for your audience. Okay, as you see. Okay, so here the first step, you can use Canva.com in your journey of email marketing system. So now it's time now to upload your own free P or your digital product to capture these emails. So you can find different ways. I just recommend you Peakins.ai. It's an awesome link in Bio Builder. Here you can upload your own digital product and you can set its price for free. So if any someone just go and download this free P, whether checklist or planners or something like that, he would leave his email in the system of Peakins.ai. Okay. So of course, I just talked about this amazing website before. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. So you can go to Peakins.ai as a link in Bio Builder, or you can take it as a helper to get emails. Or Gumroad.com. For sure, we all know Gumroad, one of the best marketplaces for selling your digital products. Here you can actually upload your own digital product that you got from Canva.com and set it price for free. So when someone gets this free P, he will leave his email. Okay, and that way you can actually prepare this host for your own free P, Gumroad or Peakins.ai. Then it's time now to how you can promote this free P to capture emails of your audience. Here you can go back to Canva.com and here you can head over to Canva AI. Okay, then it's time now to actually write some articles and publish these articles on different platforms, including Medium.com, LinkedIn, and so on. And for sure, you can write your articles around your topics and your niche to promote smoothly your free P. So you can go to Canva AI and here you can go for docs and you can select from this drop down menu type and you can take blog post. So for example, if your niche is about the swimming, for example, for beginners, I can write an article talking about how you can swim faster, and then you can provide your free P about the checklist or tracker or something like that. So let's try something like go. And just in a few seconds here you can find an amazing blog post from Canva AI. So the second way to use Canva here to just promote your own free P to get emails of your audience. As you see here, just you can open it and you can find this amazing blog post as you see. Okay, so then you can actually use Canva editor and just to copy this whole content. Okay, and you can publish this article everywhere, including for sure Medium.com, like this article as you see. Then in between some paragraphs you can insert your free P announcement, like you can get this one for free, completely for free, free of charge, to track your improvement in the swimming and something like that. Then when anyone clicks over this link, he would take into your Gumroad account, store, or Peakins landing page to pick this free P. Then he would leave his email. Okay, that's it. So you can promote your free P through writing articles from Canva AI and publish them on different platforms, including medium.com, LinkedIn, as you want. And of course, you can go to Canva to promote your own freebie and your topic, your niche in different social media like Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. So thus you can get help from Canva to build up and create your own posts like Instagram posts, TikTok posts, video reels, and so on. So you can go to this plus icon, create. You can find a wide range of these assets you can build up in canva.com as you see to promote your content, to craft your content around your topic and your niche in every single platform. For sure, you can promote your own freebie in the link in the bio in the first comment as you want, simply. So when you just get some emails, it could be 50, 100 as you want. It could be like this one, okay? Like total contacts and subscribers here on Beacons in my previous store on Beacons DI, okay? Then you have a great list, email list to start out your own campaigns to promote your content smoothly and professionally. And in between, you can promote your main digital product or affiliate offers. That we can go to Canva as well. Here you can go to Canva and you can head over to this the most recent template, that's emails. As you see, create new email. It's one of the most stunning features on Canva in its newest update. So you can click over this one, emails, and this template enables you to create the body or the message here on Canva. So it's an awesome way to create a stunning and professional look emails for your audience. For example, if you can pick one of these designs templates like this one, for example, here it could be like this one. A well-structured message to your audience and your campaign. Of course, you can actually customize this entire content as you want by changing colors, font, some images as you want. Here some contact information and so on. Then when you're done, here it's ready to publish this content here as a new format on Canva, that is HTML and images. Okay, it's an awesome one. Then you can download it as a zip file, and it could be like this one: 3 folders: images, email.html, and email.txt. This is a plain text. This one's the images inside your email message, and this email.html. But heads up, for sure you've got to replace these placeholders in this amazing HTML with these URLs of your real images here. So you can upload these images to any host you are working in, like this one, for example, like image bp, like postimages.org, imager, and so on, to get a real URL, because many email senders just recognize the URL of your images or the host of your images. Okay, that's it. And of course, you can get help from ChatGPT to get these replacement just in few seconds. So anyway, here just by using canva.com, you can actually get the freebie. You can actually get emails. You can send your emails using a professional and beautiful, stunning email message as you want. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.